see. And we're going to see an underground waterfall. This waterfall is supposed to be the tallest underground waterfall in the world.
Ready? Here we go. What do you see there?
We're going down 260 feet and 26 floors deep. We're in a cave and we're following a tour guide to Ruby Falls.
Look, it says that's where Leo Lambert first entered Ruby Falls Cave.
On November 1st, 1928, the process of drilling the elevator shaft to open this cave was started. A small opening into a previously unknown chasm was discovered. Lambert excitedly told of the discovery of amazing geological formations and the existence of an enormous waterfall. A few days later, Lambert re-entered this newfound cave with his wife Ruby and christened this natural wonder with her name, Ruby Falls.
Are you scared?
No.
No, you're not scared.
Nope, I'm not scared.
It's pretty cool, huh? Look, it's dripping. See the water? Yeah.
Watch your name!
Can you imagine trying to crawl through this? That was the ceiling and this was the floor. When the man who discovered this cave found this area and he had to crawl through. It took him 17 hours, they said, to get to the waterfall and back.
Touch it?
Yeah.
So is this a stalactite or stalagmite?
This is a mite.
Mite? How do you know?
Because they push up a boulder mite from the ground. It feels smooth and bumpy. Yeah, I'd say smooth and bumpy. It's so good.
So they carved these pathways back in the 1930s, and they just told us that this is the spot in the cave where they started to run low on funding because of the Great Depression. So at this point, and we're about halfway to the falls, it gets really skinny. Kind of cool thing, they play clips from the diary of the man who found the cave back in 1928. They play clips from his diary throughout the tour, and they give really cool insights. And some of these things they found in the cave, they still reference from him finding them back then.
Do you hear the water? Mm-hmm. Yes?
What do you think, Eleanor? I love it. It's beautiful. And really, really tall. They actually have no idea where the water's coming from. They've dyed every single source of water on Lookout Mountain that they know of, and nothing came down to Ruby Falls. So they don't even know where the waterfall's running from. It's probably an underground lake that they haven't found in the mountains.
So the whole cave tour took just over an hour, and we basically took the same path in that we took out. On the way in, you stop for other tour groups that are coming out, and on the way out, you just walk straight back. You pass all the same formations. It was really, really cool. We had about 8 minutes at the waterfall to see the falls, and they turn the lights on for you, so
You can actually see it.
yeah, so you can actually see it.
Because it's super dark once you get there.
Yeah, it's a very big, dark room, and then they turn all the lights on and all the music on, and it's beautiful, right? Mm-hmm. And they said if you wanted more time, you could actually sit behind on a bench or stay behind and wait for the next group and then go in with that group. So you could get more time at the falls if you wanted.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
Visit Ruby Falls. We now invite you to extend your stay and enjoy the panoramic view from the Lookout Mountain Tower.